Okay, next question. When is there going to be access to direct staking without having to join a node? And how safe is it to put our funds in Coti?
Sure. So actually, for quite a while now, maybe 5 months, maybe even more, there is direct access for staking without putting directly on a node. We have exchange-based staking both on Binance and on KuCoin. So that option is already available. It's not done on a monthly basis like it is with nodes. It's done on a campaign base. So there's been quite a few of them, and there will be more in the future. With how safe it is to put the fund in with the stakes, because actually when you send your Coti, it is put on the trust chain. So, well, first of all, I don't want to give anybody advice. If you want to put it on cold storage or whatever, be my guest. We put a lot of our treasury on cold storage as well. So you should know that ahead of time. And one of the things on our roadmap is allowing you to put native Coti on a ledger. So that is already in beta here. So it will be available publicly when we just find the time to do that as well. But internally, we're now looking at a beta that we're using. But other than that, one of the things that actually the KuCoin hack proved is how right it is to have a policy of KYC on all your wallets. So when the KuCoin hack took place, a lot of projects with the profile like Coti were hit. But the fact is that nobody could have stolen Coti from KuCoin because they will have nowhere else to sell it. Because if they're moving it to a Coti wallet, it means that they've done KYC, and it means that we can identify them. So I guess it's safer than just having a general ERC20 on a non-KYC environment where crimes take place.
Mm-hmm. Now, question. So Coti has KYC on wallets.
Yeah.
Doesn't that make it centralized?
It makes it supervised in that sense, but Coti is distributed. Coti is not built to be as decentralized as Bitcoin, for instance, because we're any Coti for enterprises, and enterprises just can't use these sort of things. If you want to build a payment system, there is no way in the world that you're going to do that without some regulation. Just doesn't work. You're not going to work with top merchants because they're only working with companies that has licenses, and we have licenses, and licenses come with regulation. That's just the basic reality of becoming a big player. You can't be a pirate forever, right? So that's how you're going to build it, and I don't see anybody handling fiat or anything to crypto and vice versa without doing KYC from a certain threshold, usually around $150 or so. So of course we have KYC, that's required, and that's what comes in the package.
All right, thank you.